Sir, many people are telling that prepare videos, prepare lecture videos, prepare educational videos. Why these videos are required, sir?
Wonderful. I strongly believe that times are changing. Students are expected to be, at a time they are having many opportunities. They have to be on a project, they have to attend a seminar, they have to attend a workshop. Therefore, everyone cannot keep attending classes for some valid reason. Therefore, learning cannot be stopped. And this is the main thing which has to be noted, because of which the teacher's teaching should also be available in an alternative form. And that alternative form is the teaching video of that particular teacher. If it is available, then the student is not going to get affected by saying that I did not learn from this particular teacher. So, digital footprint is very important today. Each and every teacher should think beyond the classroom and make themselves available at the convenience of the student. They will be available for learning. This is the main requirement for giving options for learners to learn.
That's wonderful, sir. Then why not we prepare a tutorial video on how actually to prepare educational videos and enable everybody who want to prepare educational video through this video?
Yes, we'll go ahead. Okay, Nishant. Now, anything depends upon a plan, and therefore, when we prepare videos, there is something which is called as video blueprint. And let us use professional terminologies. How to prepare a video blueprint for an entire course? Please share your thoughts and provide an appropriate example.
Sure, sir. When we are preparing videos for any course, first we need to plan the background. Now here, in this case, we will be taking example of one course of civil engineering, that is surface hydrology. In that, when we are preparing the video blueprint, first the entire course we will be breaking down into modules. Then with each modules we will be breaking down in topics. Then based on the topics, we will be selecting the title of our video. So first module, then topics. So like this, for example, one 3-credit course is there. We will break down the course into 5 modules, and we will be having 9 videos for each. So that there is one video for 1 hour. Duration of video can be from 6 to 9 minutes, 10 minutes based on the requirement.
Visualizing a video. What does it mean? We have to actually first imagine and see what is going to come first in my video, what is going to come second in my video, how it is going to, where I'm going to supposed to give examples, then what next, and how I'm going to end the video. For this, what is the first thing which is required? We have to be, any person who wants to make a video has to be very clear in the content part of the video. That is, the content only is going to tell in what way the video is going to get evolved. Therefore, we will be able to visualize what first, second, third and fourth only if we are very strong in our content. And once we are strong in our content, we can sequence our content and we can visualize even before the video is available, or we are preparing the video, we can tell this is how our video should come in sequence, and finally it will look like this. That is what is visualizing a video. And Nishant, now you have prepared a number of videos, and I request you to select a suitable example and tell how you visualized a video after becoming strong in the content.
Okay, sir. I will take the same example, surface water hydrology. So in that first module I have selected is precipitation. In that first topic is hydrology and hydrologic cycle. Now how will I take this video further? Let us see. So in this case, what I am doing, first I think I should have a small introduction about the video where I am going to tell what all I am going to cover into this video. After that, now in this video I am going to cover hydrology and hydrologic cycle. Then after this introduction, I will be talking about hydrology. After that, I will be talking about hydrologic cycle. Now, for hydrologic cycle, I need suitable graphic that have to be shown on the screen. So, I have to make sure that I have that graphic also ready with me. Yes, so first the introduction, after that about hydrology and hydrologic cycle. So, this is the this course content that will come in this video. But before this, disclaimer is very important. After that, title of the video, then which module, which course it belongs to, that we can have in one slide. Then we need to have our video outcomes, what students will be able to do after watching this video. And we will be ending this video with one thank you note. Sir, now based on your instructions, I have visualized the topic, the hydrology topic. I have visualized. I have seen what will be coming first, second, third, like that. A complete video I have visualized. I have enough knowledge in the topic. Now, what next do I do, sir?
What next? Visualizing means imagining. This is how my video should come. See, our thinking capacity keeps on changing. We cannot leave it just like that. Therefore, whatever we think, this is what has to come first, second, and think, put it on paper. And what we are going to put on paper, that is actually called as preparing a script and a screenplay. Script and a screenplay means script deals with the flow of content in the video. This comes first, this comes second, this comes third, like that. First I will show an disclaimer, second I will show an image, third I will show a video, fourth I will show another image, like that. It will tell about it is going to cover the flow of content. Now, in each part of the content, exactly what we are going to speak, at least some points are to be noted. We can use our own language in the video. We are not going to repeat in the same manner, but these points are to be covered. And those points, when you are going to collect them and put them against each and every topic, it is called as the screenplay. And script and screenplay is a very important document because it will be used while you are going to prepare material. You'll start preparing in that particular sequence. You will put everything on the computer in that particular sequence. Then while you are going to edit, that is what is going to help. So this plan is very, very important. Whatever you have visualized, convert it into a script and a screenplay. And Professor Nishant has prepared a wonderful script and screenplay for the topic on hydrology, which I will be explaining it to you in detail on the screen. Script and screenplay writing template. The topic: Introduction to hydrology. Script. In simple terms, it is the flow of content. Screenplay. In simple terms, under the topic of that particular content, what are the points which are going to be covered? So, script is only the topic. Screenplay is all the details under that particular topic. This planning is very, very essential. This planning only is going to actually stand in collecting information and also collecting resources for making of the video, and this planning only is going to guide while we are going to use a software for editing and finally preparing the video. Therefore, it is really a critical aspect to be noted. The script has a serial number, details, resources which are supposed to be made available or which is supposed to be created, and only when all these resources are available we can prepare the video. And overlay means one resource we are going to use it on another resource, that is overlay. And screenplay details are here. How to prepare the script? In the script, the first one will be disclaimer, and you want a disclaimer in the video. The disclaimer has to be first prepared on a PowerPoint presentation. It should be made available on a PowerPoint presentation, and it has to be converted into an image which can be used on a video. And the resource for use on a video preparation will be either an image or a video, only these two. So the disclaimer, you put it on a PowerPoint presentation slide and convert it into an image, and that image you will be calling it as 1. The name for that image will be 1 because I am connecting it with the serial number 1 so that it becomes easy. The next resources I will call it as 2 because it will be connected with the resource that is serial number 2. The next one will be the course title, the module title, the video title, and faculty details, and so on. This video is on Introduction to Hydrology. All those details will come. You put it on a PowerPoint presentation slide, convert it into an image which will be used on the video, and that image will be called as 2 because it is connected with serial number 2. It is just like step 1, step 2, step 3, or like that. In the procedure, this is what has to be done first, second, third. In the same order, you are going to keep the resources also. The resources in the form of an image or a video. Next, video outcomes. That also has to be prepared first on a PowerPoint presentation slide and converted into an image. That image you call it as 3. The resource you call it as 3. Don't call it as image 3 and things like that. So you simply call it as 3 because it is connected with serial number 3. Next, you are going to have on the video subtopic 1, which is introduction, and that also you put it on a PowerPoint slide and convert it into an image, and that image you call it as 4. Then next, you are going to have video for subtopic 1. Now you have to actually take a video. You can take a video using a laptop camera. You can use an actual camera with a tripod and take a video, or maybe you can use your mobile phone, or you can use a snip tool, and whatever it is. In this particular case, I am going to use a snip tool. I am going to use the laptop camera, and I am using a snip tool for making of this part of the video. In the same manner, video for subtopic 1 will be done on a laptop, okay, using the laptop camera. That is what it means. And the that particular information, you see, will be this video for subtopic 1 will be actually made, and that video will be called as 5 because it is connected with serial number 5. That resource, the final video which you are going to make using the laptop for this particular subtopic 1 will be called as 5 because it is connected with serial number 5. On this video 5, that is on this resource 5, you will also have an overlay. You see, you will be having an overlay on this video resource 5. You will be having an overlay, and the overlay will be an image, and already we have created that image 4 directly. It is available previously itself. It will appear on this particular video. Next, subtopic 2, hydrology. You put it on a PowerPoint presentation. And create it as a image, and that resource image will be numbered as 6 because it is connected with serial number 6. Next, video for subtopic 2. You are going to make a video for subtopic 2, and that video you will be making it using a laptop, and that laptop video which you are going to create, it will be called as resource 7 because it is connected with serial number 7. On this video, you will be placing an overlay which is image number 6. You will be placing as an overlay. Next, subtopic 3 will be hydrologic cycle. This hydrologic cycle you will be putting on a PowerPoint presentation and creating it as an image, and that image you are going to get. I am not talking about the PowerPoint presentation slide. The image which you are going to create, that which is going to be used on a video, that image you will call it as 8 because it is connected with serial number 8 because it is step number 8. Then ninth one will be, you will be making a video for subtopic 3. That is, subtopic 3 is hydrologic cycles. You will be making a video. You will record that video on a laptop, and the video which you are going to get, you will call it as video, that is resource 9. Don't call it as video 9. It is resource 9. And on that resource 9, there will be an overlay. And this overlay is not available as a previous image. A new image has to be created. And since it is a new image which is being created, it will be put as a slide on a PowerPoint presentation where you will simply call it as hydrologic cycle graphic. And that image which you are going to create, it will be called as 9_1 because it is connected with serial number 9. Next, please note, while making this video, some star has been put and it has been indicated. The hydrologic cycle will have a number of subcomponents. When each and every subtopic comes into picture, again and again this image 9_1 will be made available. When each and every subtopic is being discussed, it will be shown, and then it will automatically disappear. Only the video will be available after that. In that particular manner, planning is being done. And last one will be, the last serial number is 10. It is, you are thanking, and the thank you will be created as a image. As I told you, you put it on a PowerPoint presentation and create it as an image, and that image which you are going to use on the final video will be called as, the resource will be called as 10. And in this manner, you can see all the planning has been done, and all the resources can be created, and the resource will be either an image or a video. You have to number it as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9_1 and 10 as explained previously.
Sir, now the script for this video on the topic of hydrology, it is ready. Script and screenplay, it is ready. Now what do we do next, sir?
Script and screenplay is the plan. From the script and screenplay only we will know what has to come as an image on a video, and actually what has to come as a video itself. How we are going to arrange it, everything is available in the script and in the screenplay. So very clear, we have the plan. It is just like constructing a house. We require that material, this material, that material, this material. You put all the materials in a sequence, then your house is ready. Like that. For preparing a video, we have to capture images. I am telling an easy way. We will work only on images and videos. Capture images, capture videos as per the sequence which has been prescribed or which has been drafted in the script and screenplay document. Now, I will ask Nishant, do you have insights on how to capture these things, how to capture images? Because images can be captured in different ways. Similarly, a video can be captured in different ways. Only when we know how to capture in different ways, we will use the appropriate way which is going to be meaningful, optimal for that particular situation. And now I request Nishant to take over and tell how to capture images and videos. Give options.
Sure, sir. So there are many ways of capturing videos and images. First, I'll be talking about videos, then I'll be telling about images. So first, when we are capturing videos means we can do either with our using some camera, or we can record the screen. So both the options I will be telling. So first, let us say how do we record the video using any camera. So when we are using camera, we can use some digital DSLR camera, we can use our mobile camera, even we can use our laptop camera. So when we are recording, very important and first thing is the setup. We need to have appropriate lighting and we need to have a good camera angle. So for lighting, we have to make sure that any kind of lighting we have, it have to be either in front of us or exactly above us. There should not be, light should not be exactly behind us. Otherwise there will be glare in the video. After that camera angle is very important. We have to make sure that a very professional camera angle is there. Then very good, suitable, clean, clear background have to be there, like how we are having in this video. So very clear background have to be there. After that, we can start recording our video. It will be better if we use a mic because, so that voice quality will be good and any extra noise will not be coming in the video. So this is when we are recording using any camera. Now I will be telling about recording the laptop screen. For that, we can use a tool called snipping tool. So how to use the snipping tool, I will be telling later I will be demonstrating directly. Now second, I will be telling about capturing images. So capturing images also, I can say there can be many ways, but here I will talk about 3 ways. First one is directly capturing any photo using the camera. Second is using same snipping tool and taking a screenshot or just capturing a portion of the screen. Then third is actually making graphics in PPT and saving the PPT slides in form of images. So I will be demonstrating all these things on the screen now. Preparing images from PPT. First step is prepare a PPT with all the necessary material. So here according to the script, I have prepared the PPT. So here total 8 slides are there. Once you have prepared, go to File. Click Save As. Here instead of PPT, select JPEG. Click Save. Now it will be asking just this one or all slides. I will be clicking all slides. So yes, each slide in this PPT is converted into image. We can see the image here. In some cases, we just have to record our screen or we just need a portion of our screen as a picture. So how to do that? We can use a tool called snipping tool for this purpose. First open the snipping tool. Here there will be 2 options. This option is for video, this option is for image. Now let us first see how to just clip an image from the screen. So for that, click on New and select whichever area of the screen you want as an image. Select that area, automatically it will be converted into image. So you can click on Save As and save this image. Now we will see how to actually record the screen in form of video. So for that, you first select this option, that is recording. Then click on New and select the area on your screen which you want to record. So okay, I want to select this area. So this area I want to record. So select that area and here if you want voice also to be recorded, if you want to give any voiceover or any system voice is there. So in such case you can unmute the microphone. After unmuting the microphone, just click on Start Recording. After that, for example, if you are recording any software, you are doing some operation in a software and you are recording that. So you can keep on doing the work on the software and with that you can give the voiceover also and it will keep on recording. Once you have completed, you can stop the recording and save this recording. Sir, now I have prepared all the images and videos required for this first video introduction on hydrology. I have all the images also. I have captured total 3 videos I have captured as I already told, and many images also I have captured using PPT and mainly using PPT. Now as I have all the required content based on the script, how do I proceed with the editing to get the final video on introduction to hydrology?
Now that all the material for preparing the video, that is the images and videos as per the script and screenplay document is ready, we directly have to go to an editing tool. And an editing software, many softwares are available. Windows Movie Maker is there, Clipchamp is there, and there are so many things which can be done. But here we will be using Microsoft Clipchamp software for editing with all the material which is available. The material exactly as per the script and screenplay which has got ready. Now it will be taken onto the Clipchamp software, Microsoft Clipchamp software, and a demo will be given for preparing a video, final video on introduction to hydrology as per the script and as per the material which has been prepared by Professor Nishant. I will give you a demo. In a video, we have to go to the software. The software is Microsoft Clipchamp. Open it and you will see create a new video. Click on it and the new project will start. Go to import media and when you click it will go, you have to select the file where you have kept all the 1 to 10 images and videos. You select everything and give open. It will all get transferred, imported onto the software, and this is where we start working on our project. Everything is ready. Now you keep the script side by side. In the script, one is disclaimer. You simply add the disclaimer. This is you have to work on the main part, and only after that we are going to work on the overlay part. So next we are going to add one by one as in the script. See, the next was added, the next has been added, and after that the video has been added. And once the video has been added, you can see that there are certain portions in the video which has to be trimmed, and that will be actually monitored in the software, and we have to actually click at a particular point, and maybe we have to stop it, click it, and we have to actually split the video, and after that we can remove which portion which is not required, we can delete it. That is what has been shown now. And a gap will be created, you can delete that gap also. And once that is ready, then we'll look at the script again and we'll start adding in accordance with what has been put on the script. See, once the script is ready, then working on this particular thing becomes very simple. Again, one splitting of video and deleting was shown, and the next image, hydrology image has been added, and its duration can be reduced. Then after that, what has happened is the video related to hydrology, the entire video has been added, where we are working on the main layer. The entire video related to hydrology, there are 7 subtopics, and overlay has to come. We are not going to work on it, and at this particular point of time we are working on the main layer. After that, according to the script, whatever has to be added has been added as an image, and then again a video comes. Likewise, you see, the main thing we have to see is the script, and according to the script we keep on adding, and we have to note that exactly what has been named in the script as 1, 2, 3, 4, the resources that is kept on being added in the main layer. We have not yet gone to the overlay part. And once the main layer is ready, then what happens next? At the appropriate place, when we are going to talk about the first subtopic in this particular hydrology, that particular thing has to be overlaid onto the video. So from where to where it has to be overlaid, we'll add the overlay first, and once it is added, then we can drag it, and we can see that it will exactly match with the timing. We can add it, or we can split it, and we can delete it. It all depends upon which option you want to use. And here you can see, you can reduce the image directly, but here what is being done is cropping option is being used, so that that cropping part, only that part of the image which is cropped will be seen on the video as an overlay. And after cropping, you can drag and place it at any point you want. This is what is being displayed now. And once that is done, then you set the timing for what amount of time you require that particular overlay. Then you go to the next part, because the second topic will be introduced. The second topic will be introduced, and now the second topic is that is the portion of the video is talking of hydrology. Same cropping is being done. Then after cropping, you save it, and finally you drag and place it on the video. Like this. After that, you are going to increase the overlay for the time which you want it to be present. And this is it is just dragging that particular overlay. With this, you can see how easy it is for doing all these editing works. Then, when the next topic comes, you see the topic image is being shown first. Then, after that, the video continues. When the video continues, we have to see that overlay portion where until which portion that particular topic is being dealt with, that is noted. Then, that particular overlay is being placed and it is being dragged to the topic, to the place where it is supposed to, till the place where it is supposed to appear. See, now one process, hydrology process with all the steps was, subtopics was shown. This will keep on appearing again and again and again. And when evaporation is being dealt with, it will be shown. When the next, when the subtopic changes, again it will be shown, so that it becomes very, very effective for the person who is watching the video to understand that now we are talking of evaporation, then we are talking about the next topic. When the topic changes, again and again it will be shown, so that it will make the learner to recall and understand what is actually happening on the video, so that the video and our thinking process and our learning process will actually work wonderfully in collaboration. So this is what is the way in which the video has been visualized, because previously we told about visualization, and that is why visualization is very important. Now you can see the visualization is becoming a reality through editing of the video, and finally when the video is ready, you will understand by looking at the final video, which also will be uploaded at the end of this particular editing. You can see that wonderfully the editing has worked, and once editing is over, you add a thank you slide, and after that what happens? You can see everything. You'll import it, and once you get imported, once you put import, it will ask for certain resolution. You select the proper resolution, and once it gets imported, then it will ask where to save maybe, and you can save it in the respective folder or place or desktop.
Sir, thank you for this in-depth demonstration of editing video on Clipchamp software. I am sure that after watching this video, anybody who is interested to prepare educational videos, they will be able to do that. Now, as you have edited and prepared the video, after this video, we will be playing the end product of that video, that is Introduction to Hydrology.
Great. Now, after editing, the final video is ready. Just have a look at how this video has actually come out, and we will understand it is a very optimal manner, and we have all the tools for doing this, and why not try? Look at the video.
Good morning. In today's video, we are going to see about hydrology, hydrologic cycle and water balance. So first we will see about hydrology. What is hydrology? Hydrology, it is made up of two words, hydro plus logy. So where hydro means water and logy means science. So hence hydrology means the science of water. If we see the definition, hydrology, it is the scientific study of movement, distribution and management of water on Earth's surface. What all will be considered in the hydrology? So it is the occurrence of the water. It is circulation of the water and distribution of the water in the atmosphere, on the surface and in the ground. So this is what is the hydrology. Hydrologic cycle. Now on our screen, you will be seeing the graphic of hydrologic cycle. So this is a step of total 7 process. In that first process will be evaporation. Now what is evaporation? water is there on the surface, for example, lake, ocean, sea. So water is there on the surface and water is evaporated because of sunlight, because of sun radiation. So that process is evaporation. The second process in the hydrologic cycle is transpiration. Now you see, water have evaporated from the ground, but also water is present in the leaves of trees and plants. So that also is evaporated with sun. So that will be happening with the transpiration. Next step is condensation. Now all this evaporated water, it will come together and it will be condensed and become in solid form in form of clouds. Okay. So now the fourth step is precipitation. Precipitation is nothing but from the cloud water is coming back on the ground. So it will be coming in various forms. For example, rainfall, snowfall, etc. Hailstorms. So it will be coming from clouds to earth. So that is precipitation. So next is runoff. Once the precipitation have happened, once the rainfall have happened, so that water will be again flowing on the surface. So that is nothing but runoff. Sixth step is infiltration. So when the water is flowing on the surface or water is stored somewhere, it will be infiltrated inside the soil. So that is sixth process. Seventh process is subsurface flow. Now once this infiltration have happened, water will be flowing inside in the earth surface. For example, some capillary movement of water might be there, or water is flowing in the aquifers. So that is the seventh step in this hydrologic cycle. So there are total 7 steps: evaporation, transpiration, condensation, precipitation, runoff, infiltration and subsurface flow.